Once again, welcome to the Premier Lounge of Hawaiian Airlines. This is Pau Hana Friday time. It's a monthly series. This is the second one. And for all of you walking in, how many of you are going to the island of Kauai? Kauai? One. Kauai anymore? Come inside again. You guys at the right lounge. You guys at the right lounge over here. Some beautiful food by Chai Chaowasaree, beautiful wine over there. Anyway, this is the beautiful Kyoko. Take you to the island of Kauai. Nohili E. Kauai, Nohili E. One nice hand for Kyoko, everybody. Hana ho! Hana ho! Hey, no shame, guys. You guys like, yeah, we stay right inside. We had our own private party over here. No hurry.